There's hunger and poverty, disease, literacy, crime, natural resources getting damaged constantly. Frankly, despair and hopelessness around the world. We have seen that, see it every day. Nations like the U.S. and China must work together to address these incredible, huge problems that are related to hunger and poverty and malnutrition as you see them depicted in these goals.
In this 5-year plan period, agriculture, rural areas, and farmers are the focus of the country. And the rural revitalization and modernization is prioritized in the national agenda. So now it means the national focus for rural areas has shifted from poverty alleviation to modernization and revitalization of the rural areas.
We have so many opportunities, China and the United States, both bilaterally and multilaterally, to use our combined scientific efforts to address problems that Dr. Morano so really did a very passionate, compassionate job in describing with respect to lack of access to food and the human health and societal dimensions that are associated with that.
China's food security issue is a challenge we can't afford to neglect. On one hand, we must establish a new outlook on food security to ensure total grain production or crop yield. It means that we need to ensure a threshold of reserve and self-sufficiency rate. And secondly, we also need to have a balanced structural supply and demand relationship.
In this context, I also suggest that the cooperation among the two countries should be based on understanding that the health of soil, plants, animals, human, environment, and the planet is one and indivisible. Indeed, in addition to the socioeconomic research, policy issues, the food security research must also address environmental and resource management issues.
In terms of China, we're primarily making investment in production, while region-wise, we're taking a focus of Southeast Asia, Central Asia, and then while the West. Well, it's pretty easy to understand given that Southeast Asia is very close to us, and media often pictures that China has a lot of investment in Africa, but actually it's not true because Africa is too far away from China. So our focus is still our neighboring countries like Southeast Asia.
Ultimately, we're in the golden age of the biological sciences today, also in the golden age of the information sciences and electronic sensors. In the United States, each have great capacity in both of these areas of science. And so we have so much each to offer independently, but the payoff will be great if we two countries can work collaboratively to bring these sciences to bear on improving the lot of mankind.
There are some unsustainability, very serious challenges to modern agriculture. Many of you already alluded to them, including diseases of affluence, and the population health, which may be attributed to agriculture, and then GHG emission, resources consumption, and pollution, including the degradation of the environment and biodiversity loss.